Alright guys, so this is the power block. Let's go ahead and show you here. We're going to take this off. What's cool is this feature. So you can use your own cable if you wanted to. Flip out plug. But what's cool is this. You can pull this out very far. And then when you want to put it back in, you pull it out just a little bit, let go, just like that. Now they do say you should feed it in. You don't want to let it go, so just kind of slowly feed it like that. But it's awesome. But let's see if this actually charges rapidly. Our phone will let us know. And it's only at 2%, so let's see. Charging rapidly. So it is a rapid charging cable and block. Just like that, guys. Very, very nice. And it's cool. You don't have to have it at full length if you don't want, but you can if you do. It's very nice, guys.